In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out in Figma. Whether you're working on a small icon or a huge product design file, being able to quickly zoom out and see the bigger picture is really important. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple way to zoom out using the zoom controls in the Figma interface, and I'll explain what's happening so you feel confident using it on your own. First, make sure you have your Figma file open on your screen. Look towards the upper right corner of the canvas area, near where your view and sharing options usually appear. You'll see a number followed by a % sign. This number shows your current zoom level. For example, it might say something like 50%, 100%, or 200%, depending on how close you already are to your design. Go ahead and click directly on that percentage value. When you click it, a small zoom menu will open. This menu gives you a few options for quickly changing how much of your canvas you can see. It's a handy way to control your view without needing to use shortcuts or scroll around too much. Inside that menu, you'll see an option labeled Zoom Out. Click on Zoom Out to decrease your zoom level. Each time you select it, Figma will step back a little more, allowing you to see a larger portion of your design. This is especially useful if you're working on multiple frames or a complex layout and want to understand how everything fits together. You can repeat this as many times as you like until you reach a zoom level that feels comfortable. If you go too far and things start to look too small, don't worry. You can always click the percentage again and either choose zoom in from the same menu or adjust the number manually. Another helpful option is to edit the zoom percentage directly. When the zoom menu is open, you'll notice that the percentage value itself can be typed into. Click on that number, delete the existing value, and type in a new one, such as 75% or 25%, depending on how far out you want to go. Press enter to apply it. This gives you precise control, which is great when you want a consistent view across different files or screens. And that's it. By clicking the percentage in the upper right, then choosing zoom out or editing the number, you can easily control how much of your Figma canvas you see at once.